This is the elevator at the Lilley building in Columbus, Ohio. This is a ThyssenKrupp Oildraulic impulse elevator. It's rather strange. I was figuring we're at the bottom, but it's a different pattern at the top. I'm going to assume that floor is locked. Yeah, it's locked. 3, here we go. Bouncy. Here are 3. In the basement, but I put the line up where it was. Back on the 1. On tag 20. Whoa. The stainless steel part is coming off. Now the phone thing, it's like falling apart. I can fall at any second. Look at this $1 certificate. It's that same basic weird cab. Like, why? It's so strange. One's burned out. Here I got 1. It says THD Thyssen over there, but first don't tell them 1 it could be. If it's any later, then it's not. Check the records. Here, because it's not going to be it.